Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can basically fix game not launching or crashing 007 First Light. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that your drivers is completely up to date. So if you're using NVIDIA, you can always go to drivers and look if the drivers are newest, right? So this is the first step. Second step, what you need to do here, you need to open up Steam, right click on properties here, go to install files, browse, and then you need to go to retail. You will see exe file here. It should be exe file. Then what you need to do here is to copy the path. You can close this. Then you need to go to a graphics settings. On graphics settings, press add a desktop app. Then you need to paste the path, add exe. Once exe is added, press on this button here, and then GPU preference, make sure it's set to a high performance. And then look after that if in the game if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, what I suggest you to do next is to right click on the game, properties, install files, and verify game files. Another thing that can happen is basically other programs prevent you to playing the game or launching the game. So if you're using apps like MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, or others like Revast, try to disable them. The app should not be running, and then look if the problem persists after that. Another problem, it can be G-Sync. So I'm using NVIDIA app, so I just need to go to control panel or NVIDIA GPU, and then you need to go to a setup G-Sync and make sure G-Sync is disabled on the monitor that you're trying to launch the game. Another fix is also right click on the library on the game, go to properties, installed files, browse, then go to retail and then look for the exe file, right click properties, compatibility, run as admin. Apply the changes, run the game, and once the game starts to run, press Alt plus Enter to basically enable windowed mode, and then the game should work. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like.